Without plotting the points given, find the perimeter of the shape given its coordinates of S, T, U, V. So to find the perimeter of the shape, we have to find the distances between ST, TU, UV, and then SV, and then add them all together. Perimeter is adding up all of the side lengths of the shape. So first, let's find the distance between segment S and T. So S and T both have the same y values of -5. So we have to look at the x values of 5 and 1. 5 and 1 are the same sign. So to find the distance between S and T, those 2 points, we have to subtract their absolute value of those x values. So we'll do the absolute value of 5 minus 1, which is the absolute value of 4, so that equals 4. So the distance between points S and T is 4. Now let's find the distance between points T and U. So that'll be segment TU in the shape. So T and U both have the same x values of 1. They have different y values of -5 and 3. Since now you have the signs are opposite for these different values, we're going to add the absolute value of those y values. So we're going to do the -5, the absolute value of -5 plus the absolute value of 3, which is 5 plus 3, which is 8. So the length of segment TU, the distance between points T and U, is 8 units. Now let's find the distance between points U and V. U and V, that'll give us segment UV in the shape. So U and V both have the same y values of 3, and the x values have the same sign. So when they have the same sign, we're going to subtract the absolute value of the x values. So we're going to subtract 1 minus 5 and take the absolute value. So that's the absolute value of -4, which is 4. Finally, we have to close the shape off and find the distance between points S and V. That will give us segment SV. So we have the same x value of 5 in those 2 points, and then the opposite signs for the y value. We have -5 and 3. So since they're the opposite signs, we're going to add their absolute values. We're going to do the absolute value of -5 plus the absolute value of 3, which is 5 plus 3, which is 8. So that gives us the side length of SV. So now we actually have the lengths of all the side lengths of the shape. So to find the perimeter, we add them up. We do 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8, which is going to give us a total value of 24, right? Adding them up. So the perimeter is going to be 24 units, making our answer choice A.